Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best and easiest strawberry pudding, y'all. And this is a super easy dessert. Couple of hours, you're good to go. And it's a great alternative to banana pudding. This is strawberry pudding, y'all. And look at those beautiful Chessmen cookies. And this recipe will be found under my dessert playlist, so make sure you check this recipe and others out. Let's go. So I'm starting with some fresh strawberries, some Cool Whip, instant vanilla pudding, whole milk, clear vanilla, which is amazing. I'll put it in the description. 2 packages of Chessmen cookies, and then I have some strawberry glaze, which is going to help with the sweetness, and then also 1 can of condensed milk and 1 pat of cream cheese that I put in the microwave for 30 seconds just to soften it up. So first things first, slice your strawberries, and then I'm going to add some of that glaze to it and then just mix it up and set it off to the side, and that's going to make them super sweet and delicious. So I'm just going to cream my cream cheese, and while I do that, use this opportunity to go ahead and click that subscribe button if you have not already. Go ahead, I'm just mixing. You have time. You're not going to miss anything, I promise. And I want to give a special shout out to everybody who has already subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. It is growing every day, and I appreciate all of the support. So you just add in, there's going to be measurements in the description box, but I just kind of did it by sight. But you just want to have a good creamy texture. And so add in as much or as little milk as you like. It depends on your preference. So I'm going to take half of the Cool Whip, and then you just fold it in, okay? Don't mix it, fold it, because you want it to be light and creamy, like so. So I am going to start to layer my dessert. So you want to start with your cookie base, and y'all, it was a struggle to keep from eating these cookies. I love Chessmen cookies. Those buttery cookies are so good. So I put down a layer of pudding, and then I'm going to spread the strawberry mixture next. And you want to get as far and as close to the edges as possible, because it's going to help, especially if you're using the clear dishes, just, you know, for a little bit of pretty, y'all. So I'm just going to continue to layer, and I had a total of 3 layers of cookies as a reference, so depending on how deep your dish is. And so once that's done, I'm going to cover it up in plastic wrap into the refrigerator I had it in there for 4 hours, and that's a good time, or overnight, to let it set. And y'all, it was, yeah, it's hard. If you're an impatient person, you know, go with it. But either way, look at that. Isn't that cute though? I mean, it's eye-pleasing, but hold on, y'all. Let me let you get this bite. Look at that. So good, y'all. There you go, baby. Go on, take that bite. So hope you guys try this recipe out. Listen, it was so easy, right? So make sure you hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my new video. Bye, y'all.